Oh, hey there, folks. It's Mark from Kartboy. Today, we're going to be talking about dead pedals for your Subaru. The factory dead pedal in the Subarus, depending on what year it is either a really janky black plastic with fragile clips that's extremely slippery when wet, or it also matches the factory silver pedals with black dots on them. We offer two different dead pedals currently. We offer both a clear anodized or a black anodized aluminum with opposing colored rivets. What these do is on older cars like my GD STI, for example, it replaces that black plastic unit with a unit that actually matches the interior of the car and the pedals, albeit while being more grippy. These black dots are actually raised rivets, so they provide a little bit of grip, when I'm carving on ramps and, ripping turns. It also is engraved with the Kartboy logo and comes with a Kartboy sticker. So they come in silver or black. If you're interested in seeing an install video, we're going to be installing this silver one in my GD STI in the near future, so make sure you like and subscribe and all that stuff and follow along for more. Bye!